Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to read JSON file. The type is array type. You can see this is a array type of JSON data, and you can see name, mobile, address, boolean, and pets. In the pets you can see it's array type. Okay, so we are going to read this valid JSON file. So I'm going to explain here. You can see I have this IntelliJ setup, and this configuration is already there, and I'll provide this one on the description box. You can copy from here. So let me read this data. So let me put that data in data. Okay, and then let me paste here like this. Okay, so let me read this. The type is, you can see the type is string type. It's a string type. Okay, so let me convert it to a df. So we need to read spark read .json, and what we are going to do, sc dot parallelize. Okay, and then we are going to put it on list, and inside the list it is data. Okay, and then let me df.print. Let me print, let me show this data, and let me df.print. Let me print the data. So you can see it is running, and this is the output. Okay, address, Delhi and Assam, and boolean 2. Mobile, this is a mobile number, and name MKD MIXTURE and data, and pets dog and cat. And you can see the schema. Address is string, boolean is boolean, and mobile is long, name is string, and pets is array. So here we are going to discuss about how to flatten this page. Okay, so let me do that. Flatten array. Okay, so let me put this inside a df, fdf, flatten df, and we are going to take this data from df, and then we are going to use with column. Okay, so df.with column, and what we are going to flatten, we are going to flatten pets. So I'll put the pets here. Okay, and after that we are going to explode this one. So we are going to explode the pets. So let me paste the pets inside the explode, and let me show the fdf.show, and fdf.print schema. Okay, so let me run this one. You can see after flatten the flatten array, this is you can see the print schema. The path is string, and before that it was array. Okay, and now it's string, and you can see the output data. This is the input data, like this JSON file, and before flatten it was like that. Okay, and after flatten the final, this is the final data. Okay, so we can do more analyze on this data. So let me select only name and pets. So if we need to find out the name and pets, so what we'll do, suppose final data df result.fdf result df. So result df is fdf dot select. Let me run the select commands, names, and what we need, patch. Okay, so let me result df dot show. Okay, so final data println get final data. So let me show how to do that. Okay, so from this JSON, if we need a name and patch, then we can transform this data like this, name and patch. You can see name MKD mixture and patch cats. Okay,